Okay, welcome back. We're going to go to step 3 on the blowout patch. It's about dry enough. The outer side are turning white. You can see where it's the most dry. But it's right at that stage where it's kind of like a clay. So we'll take a thinner coat on this one. I mean, you can take a sponge, sand it down a little bit, but it's at the stage where if you knock it down with a knife, it'll go flat. And I'll show you how to do that. We'll use a little bit more 20-minute quick set mud. Won't nearly take as much this time. A little bit. Start it. It's better to have this skim coat more thin than earlier. Almost like a kind of an icing texture. You don't want any chunks in it, so mix it up really nice and smooth. You can see it's a little more runny than earlier. So what we'll do, we'll start on the outside. Go around with it. Like I said, you don't need to sand it on this stage. If you have really big lines, you can. Totally up to you. Or even if you have textured walls, definitely don't really need to sand it down that much. You did a little quick pass in the center, load it a little higher. Kind of ease it. There's your next coat. It's already looking a lot better. So we'll let that dry another 20 minutes. This, with the mud so thin, it'll probably take a little bit longer than the last coat. So we'll try it again when we come back. And after we get the last coat on, say for smooth walls, I'll show you how to put another layer on it if you have textured walls, and we'll get that taken care of also, so you can make it all blend in.